have no idea what I'm supposed to do here.
Just make Hyder do all of it.
Yeah. Hyder, you are now a YouTube celebrity, and
All 52 people.
hey, it's 83 now.
Shit, when did that happen?
Hey, congratulations. Today we're working on the cheapest 4x4 Sprinter in the country.
Which is also an oxymoron because there's nothing cheap about a Sprinter.
I mean, like just for scale, this is a sub $20,000 4x4 Sprinter, which just doesn't exist. So today's project is to mount a used bed platform because everything about this is cheap.
Yep.
So bought a used bed platform from somebody else's Sprinter.
So we are starting trip number 1 of probably about.
How many trips to Home Depot today?
What's the over/under? I think
3.
I think 2.
You think we can do it at 2? It's either going to be 2 or it's going to be like 5.
Yeah.
You don't get anything for winning this bet.
That's true.
You
Oh,
just get the
okay.
satisfaction.
Speaking of, I don't know what I did with my paper that has the things written down on it.
Yeah, we may have left it in the house.
I might have. So we left our shopping list at the house.
I'm definitely going with 3.
I love that we went to the effort of making a really
Yeah.
mediocre shopping list.
Yeah.
All right. So recap is we spent an hour in Home Depot. That's what I spent. I spent $300
It's true.
to mount the bed and install the floor.
Yeah. See how far we get before we have to come back.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to do here. So if we went, let's say we went 16 there, we could add 1 more.
Do you really need 5 though?
I don't know.
I don't think you do.
John, what do you think about this? 1 there, 1 there, there.
Sure. I'll let you do the honors. So
Yeah,
that you get to screw it up.
Pretty sure we got solid metal right here and nothing that I can ruin. Do we think we want the riv nut to go on top of this plastic?
Nope.
Want to go under that plastic?
Probably.
So we probably want a slightly bigger drill bit to take the plastic off.
This is gonna be entertaining.
Destroy your...
Yeah, that'll work. Just shave it down nice and slow. Yeah.
There we go.
We're professionals.
Beautiful.
That looks so much better.
We're so good at this. Summer and I are here as a supervisory role.
I like it. All right, I have a better feeling about this one.
Oh, yeah.
That looks so much better. Oh yeah, there's none of that wiggle.
Good.
Yeah,
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, we like that.
I like that.
Let's do it again. That is amazing.
Yeah.
That worked better than expected.
So much better than I expected. And although this is sheet metal, this is actually a boxed section. So,
You should be strong enough.
yeah.
What's the worst that could happen?
Actually not that much. That's a legitimate point.
Like, there's not
This
that
is
much
not
that
a-
can happen.
This is not a high risk proposition here.
Yeah.
It's not the riskiest thing I do in bed. These are handy.
Yeah.
And they're not as hard as I thought they were going to be to do this.
So what you doing?
We are going to mark some holes. Hyder, here, hold this for a second.
All right. Okay, I'm just going to throw this out there. Would be putting ink on the top of this be a little easier than putting a nail on it? All right. Now we just need to wait
That should be
48
basic.
hours. And tomorrow... All right, well, my joke would be way funnier if that didn't set immediately. What the hell are you using?
This is just basically CA glue. But this is an accelerant. So it kicks the glue immediately.
That was perfect though. You just wait for it.
There you go.
Make me look like a dick. All right.
We call this a learning opportunity. A chance for some focused feedback.
I'll focus your feedback.
So what we're gonna do is just thread them all in, and then hit them with the hammer or a
Yeah.
board. See see if this works or not.
Just filming two guys steering.
The back of the van.
My dream.
Okay, actually, I think we want this to be higher, right?
We need your other one to go in a little more.
Do you want to use your drill press?
It doesn't have a motor.
Oh, then let's not use your drill press.
So I think we found the right hole.
It's a first start.
It's always surprising when you get the wrong one. You know the drill.
That felt like it went ski-wampus.
It probably did.
Yeah, it did. Shit.
But it doesn't matter in the long run.
Let me get my M-pipe driver for that one.
Why?
Because spade bits and impact drivers just work really well together.
Oh, do they? I guess that keeps them from like overspinning and like making you hate yourself.
Yeah, I mean more than normal. Okay, so let's go try this. Oh shit, my dirty hands.
That's kind of how shop projects go.
Those are the best. One, two, three, smack. Those are the perfect tire killer ones too. So.
Oh yeah, the ones that'll stand up and
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, try this.
Sure.
I like that you're both the type that'll be like, oh, we'll just try it. That didn't work. We'll do something else. I would probably spend 8 hours planning.
I had a really good experience this year where I spent about 2 months trying to figure out where to put my electrical box in the front of the van.
Yeah.
Finally decided it, and then it was the wrong spot. My floor wouldn't fit after I had done all the work.
Yeah.
And then I was like, well, fuck, I guess maybe sometimes you just have to do it.
Sometimes it's faster to just fail and like fail quickly.
Yeah, sometimes Scrum methodologies are right.
I just prefer process for process sake.
Yeah, that's really your style.
Yeah, definitely.
If I could log my time in more than one system, that would be ideal.
Alright.
Alright, I'm not anywhere close on this one.
How'd we miss that?
Those two are centered.
This one ain't.
Yeah. Oh man, that's a fucking disaster.
We weren't anywhere close on that one.
So we're not fitting, which is what we thought,
Right.
we were worried about.
How close
but we're
is it?
close.
Okay, so what's the plan?
Plan is to install the aluminum L channel so that with one screw, so we can test fit the bed platform and realize that it's too tight.
Yeah, basically.
And not have to undo all your screwing.
All right, I think we can test fit a
Yeah.
bed platform.
I think we should test fit a bed platform.
All right, well, should we start with the thickest one, the fattest one?
Girthiest, yes.
Earthiest.
Don't you want to work your way up to it?
I mean, sometimes you want to ease into it. Let's go for it. Oh, shit.
Can we pop a window while we're at it?
Let's not. And say we didn't. Oh, that's
Oh
pretty
my
slick.
god! Did that actually just fit? I can't believe that just worked.
That's pretty slick.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. What I just
Will you
realized,
hand me that tape measure?
we're only doing one Home Depot trip today.
But we did a Harbor Freight trip. So
So is that like 1.5? Jesus.
too much force? Is that on?
Yep. Think it'll hold me?
I think so.
Don't test me first.
Well,
Sink or swim time. Hot damn.
a little short, but
Yeah. So nervous. I'm so nervous. Crack.
Oh, you're fine.
And I can actually like. I
You
have to
can
get,
actually
I have to get all
fit.
the way up here.
Which is why I put it at this height,
Yeah.
so we'd have the windows for the extra.
Yeah, it works
That's
out good.
nice.
There's really not much bowing when you're laying down at all.
When you're sitting right
Yeah.
in the middle.
Right, which you're not going to be doing very much.
I think if you get a single support under the center, that should be plenty.
Yeah.
Now I want to fix that other platform. Put it in place right there. And can, it shouldn't be that hard. Do you want to do that? Because I don't think we want to do the floor today.
We're not gonna get to the
The
floor.
floor is
but
too
we
much
can
work.
finish this panel.
Yeah.
Basically.
Let's try it. Let's try
Do it.
Okay. All right. So what's the plan?
So I think we take the top off.
Chop these down and reupholster it.
Yeah. Why don't I start pulling staples?
Okay.
Because that's an unpleasant, tedious task. So I'm just going to go through and start getting them started.
Yeah.
And then you, if you want to follow me and try to pull them.
Yep.
Oh, balls. They use captive nuts for these two. These are going to be hell to line back up.
I call my post-bath section nuts cactus nuts. Man, this thing was like seriously put together.
Right? Just staple every inch.
That platform makes me so happy.
So good.
I can't believe it just worked. All right, gonna give this a shot.
Put a hole through Summer's finger.
It's not. Say we didn't.
We're gonna just go kind of nuts on these.
Yep.
Because he went nuts.
You mean like they did?
Yep. That's gonna be perfect.
Yep.
They might have countersunk it before.
Now what we're gonna do?
Where's the thing?
That's countersunk.
Sure as fuck not what we're gonna do.
I'm pretty sure that's countersunk. How higher put yourself in the R with the drill finger.
Yep. Didn't punch through the fabric, but it did go through. Okay, that's probably enough.
Yeah, I get it.
I thought there was a small chance it would catch on fire, so I had my coat ready. It took me a second. I kind of had to thread this one in. Oh. You just muscled it in.
Yeah, I have a bad habit of doing that. It's not sketch at all.
It's only sketchy if I screw up.
No, it's only a problem if you screw up. It's sketchy until that point. This was not as hard as I thought it would be.
I thought, like, guys, if I had done this project by itself would have taken me all day.
Yeah.
Just cutting down this panel.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Look at that.
Get on your bed.
This is definitely how I will get into bed.
Yeah.
Over the top.
Oh yeah.
Check it out.
Nice.
You have a bed.
Guys, this is so cool.
This is so cool.
I can't believe this worked. Climb on in, Summer. We're gonna do all three of us for the shot.
Oh, balls. This is gonna be. Watch us just shear the damn panel off.
All right.
Suppose we can do an outro.
This is a great way to do an outro.
Okay.
Alrighty, well, I think that's about the end of the project. As you can see, the bed holds plenty of weight. Yeah.
This is
can help,
amazing.
right?
I can't believe it worked.
I'm surprised we got this much done.
I am totally blown away, guys. This is amazing.
Yeah, this is awesome.
So,
You guys are my heroes.
This was fun.
yeah. We'll have to do another episode once we do the floor.
Yeah.
We'll do the floor
So-
next.
Anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
This is great. I have so much space.